Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on TaskRabbit. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change your name on TaskRabbit. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to TaskRabbit. Next, click on Profile on the bottom right-hand corner. Afterwards, click on Account, and then it might ask you to verify your account. Next, click on your first name, and then this is where you're going to be able to change your name, and then click on Save. Additionally, you could also change your last name, type in your new last name, and then click on Save. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your name on TaskRabbit. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.